Hey Meta, make these Revant Photochromic lenses.
That's better. Brian here today to talk about the Ray-Ban Meta Wayfarers. These frames have been blowing up in popularity, and it's easy to understand why. They have a built-in camera, speakers, and an AI assistant, all in a frame that looks really nice. Now, the one thing people don't talk about is that if you scratch or damage these lenses, it costs over $400 to replace this frame. That's where Revant Optics comes in. Instead of replacing your whole frame, you can just swap out your lenses. We offer lenses in a wide variety of colors for all your favorite brands. But today, we're going to take a look at photochromic lenses. Photochromic lenses are designed to follow you throughout the day. They start clear indoors and get dark in direct sunlight, offering you full UV protection throughout the day. This removes the need for separate lenses and offers you great bang for your buck. And replacing your lenses is super easy. No tools necessary, just snap them in and you're good to go. So if you want a pair of these lenses or any of the other colors we offer, check out revantoptics.com. Lenses for daytime, lenses for nighttime, lenses for sunshine, lenses for clouds, lenses for when it's hot, lenses for when it's cold, lenses any color you want.